Most people think yacht owners are billionaires. That's not true. You don't need to be a billionaire to own a yacht. But you do need to be far wealthier than most people expect. The real question is not whether you can buy a yacht. It's whether you can afford to keep one. Because owning a yacht is not about the purchase price. It's about sustaining the system behind it. Let's start with a basic misunderstanding. When people imagine yacht ownership, they picture massive super yachts, 100 meters, helicopters, full crews, but that is only one end of the spectrum. Yachts exist in many sizes, and the financial reality changes dramatically with each step up. So instead of asking, how rich do you need to be, we need to ask, for which yacht? Let's start small. A modest motor yacht, around 10 to 15 meters long, can cost anywhere from a few $100,000 to $1 million to purchase. At this level, ownership starts to become accessible to successful professionals, business owners, executives, entrepreneurs. But here is the catch. Even a relatively small yacht still carries annual costs. Docking, maintenance, insurance, fuel. A common rule of thumb is that running a yacht costs around 10% of its purchase price every year. That means a $500,000 yacht may still cost $50,000 per year to operate. This is manageable for some people, but it already eliminates most buyers who only look at the purchase price. Now let's move up. Mid-sized yachts, around 20 to 30 meters, enter a very different financial category. Purchase prices range from $2 to $10 million, and this is where crew becomes mandatory. Once you have crew, costs become continuous. Salaries do not pause, neither does maintenance. At this level, annual operating costs can range from $200,000 to well over $1 million per year. To sustain this comfortably, owners usually have net worths in the tens of millions. Not because they cannot pay the bills, but because they need liquidity, flexibility, and margin for surprises. This is where many first-time buyers get stuck. They can technically afford the yacht, but they cannot comfortably absorb the ongoing costs. Now let's talk about large yachts. 30 meters and above. This is where yacht ownership becomes a serious financial commitment. Purchase prices climb quickly. $10 million, $20 million, $50 million or more. At this scale, annual operating costs can reach several million dollars per year. Crew, fuel, insurance, maintenance, refits. And these costs exist, whether the yacht moves or not. Owners at this level are not just wealthy, they are structurally wealthy. Their assets generate income. Their liquidity is planned. Their exposure is controlled. Net worth at this level is often well above $100 million. But even here, income matters more than total wealth. A billionaire with illiquid assets may struggle more than a 100-millionaire with strong cash flow. This brings us to the most important distinction. Being rich is not the same as being able to afford a yacht. Affording a yacht means you can pay for it without stress, without compromising other parts of your life, without constantly monitoring expenses. It means the yacht fits into your financial system, not the other way around. This is why many extremely wealthy people choose not to own yachts. They charter instead. Chartering allows access without responsibility, without depreciation, without long-term commitment. For some, that makes far more sense. So how rich do you actually need to be to own a yacht? The honest answer is not a number. It's a ratio. Your annual yacht costs should feel small relative to your income and net worth. If they feel heavy, ownership will feel stressful. The happiest yacht owners are rarely the richest. They are the ones whose yachts are proportionate to their financial reality. They don't chase size, they chase sustainability. Because a yacht is not a trophy, it's an operating system, and systems demand structure. This channel exists to explain that structure, without glamour, without lifestyle noise, just real numbers, real decisions, and real consequences. If you want to understand the true economics behind yacht ownership, this channel is for you.